Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yes, please subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Yes, thank you for subscribing. So today we are going to continue on the next part with student loans. Yes, and we have first question. We are now going to solve the question 3, which says we find the interest rates. So to find the interest rates, we'll be using the mortgage rates tab here to find the interest rate. So the first one is to find the mortgage rate for 1995 month 11. So we come on mortgage rates and find month 11, which is 11 1995, this one. So we use 7.38%. So we come here, type 7.38%. Then you do the same. The next one is 1990. You come and look for 1990 month 3. 1990 month 3. 1990 month 3 here, so it will be 10. 1990 and 3, so it's 3 1990, which is 10.37. Come and type 10.37%. Now we are going for the last one, 2020 2014. So 2014, scroll down for 2014 month 2, and it's here month 2 2014, so it will be 4.12. So 4.12%. Yes, and that is it for the first part. Now we're going to part 4. Part 4 is saying we find for the total principal amount to repay P. Yeah, sorry. So here P. So the value of P is, you just type equal sign equals this value here, B between the two, and click OK. So this is the principal amount. Then number of payments per year. N is given how many months are in a year. We have 12, so you'll be paying 12 months a year. Then number of years, we are required for a 10-year loan. Yeah, so the number of years T is 10. Then PMT. PMT, you are using the formula that was given on the, you'll use the formula that is given on the Word document. So from the Word document, we just use, it will be, yeah, so we are going to compute the PMT, which is will be given by is equal sign equal to the principal amount multiplied by, open the bracket, the interest divided by the number of payments, close the bracket, and then we divide by, open the bracket, 1 plus into bracket will be given by, be given by 1. Use the formula that is given on the Word document. So it's 1 minus, open the bracket, 1 plus the rate divided by the number of payments, close the bracket, and raise it to the bracket, open the bracket, s power negative number of years, number of payments times number of years, close the bracket, and place enter. And that's our monthly loan payment. Then the next part is to find the total amount of loan paid. This will be given by equal sign. Then we multiply the given the PMT times the number of years times the number of payments, and that's our total amount paid to the loan. Then interest will be given by is equals to the total amount minus the initial amount here, the principal amount, press enter. So, and that is the interest that we paid. Now this one, put them into $sign into two decimal places. Let's just use noise and then currency. Okay, and that's it for the first part. The next part is to find number of years that were in school. The number of years were in school we are given as for. So additional interest occurred when we are in school. So the interest that has been occurred when in school is given by the principal amount in B25 times multiplying it by the interest, and then you're multiplying it by 4. Sorry, let's just use the 4 here given here by this 4. Yes, enter. So that is the additional interest that has been incurred. The total principal amount to repay will be equal to the principal amount here, the principal. Then we are adding plus the interest that has been incurred. Yes, press enter. So that is the total principal amount to repay. Then the next part is number of payments per year is 10. Sorry, it's 12. Sorry. Then the 12 is the number of years, 10 years. The PMT, we use the same formula here. So just let's copy and then we paste it here. Sorry. Highlight, copy, Control C, and then we paste it here. Control V. But now we have to change this thing. So the amount to be paid. This is the P. You click change that to that one, and then we come to the interest. The interest. So we are also changing this one. Is given by here, then divided by number of n. So change. Then we have 1 minus. We also know that this is our interest is given by here divided by n, and then we know that B27, we are changing B27 to 30 and multiplying it by a number of years. Sorry. Okay, so and that is it, and so that is the value that we pay. Then the total amount to be paid is equals to, you multiply this, the PMT times the B20 by 10 and by number of years. Yes, that is the amount that will be paid. And now what is the interest paid on the loan? The interest paid on loan will be equal to the total amount paid subtract by the total principal amount. So that is the interest that will be paid. So I write this to convert them into currency to decimal places. Yes, and that's how you do the student loan. Yes. Please subscribe for more. Also, for easy of use, just click on this one and you just be copying the formula here. The formula is up here. So that is easy. If you want to use the exact formula, they are just there on the top. Click it here on top. Yes, like that. So thank you for watching. and please subscribe. Thank you. See you with the next part on credit cards. Thank you.